Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing an elf look. I'm first going in with some primer. I'm using the Glow Recipe, no it's not the Glow Glam face primer. I'm not sure how I like it yet. I'm still kind of playing around with it. And then next I'm going to go in with a concealer. I'm using the Rare Beauty concealer. I'm only going to be doing half of my face and then I'm going to blend it in, and then I will do the other half of my face. I do not go in with a foundation because I don't feel like I need it for this look. I'm using this brush. I've had it for a while, but I rarely use it. I'm still kind of debating if I like the brush or not. It is a dupe. You can buy like the brand that created it. It's really expensive. I got a dupe one, and I will try to leave it down below if I can find it. Now I'm just going in with a concealer or like a color corrector to cover up all of my pimples because I'm breaking out. And now I'm going in with the Rare Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to finish up the other side of my face. I only did one side at a time because I didn't know if it was going to be too drying, so that is why. Now I'm going in with the bronzer. This is from Soul. It's a ColourPop sister brand. I love this cream bronzer, you guys. I go in with a lot in this video, but I love it. It is by far one of my favorite cream bronzers out there, and it is on the cheaper side. I do think that I need to get a different shade. I feel like this shade might be a little too orangey for me, but yeah. Right now I'm looking a little crazy. It does all blend together, but yeah, you gotta just really trust the process in this case. I'm going in with my stippling brush. I picked this up at TJ Maxx. I believe I did a giveaway and I gave away these brushes to people too, so I like them. I like this one. There's another one that I picked up and I did not like the other one, so yeah. Now I'm going in with the Rare Beauty liquid blush. I took it from my one temple all the way across to the other one. I wanted this to be that sun-kissed glow kind of look. It does look like a lot of blush, but it does wear off, and you'll see. And now I'm going in with a really fine point, what is this? A brush. And I'm just using my eyebrow pomade, and I am trying to make freckles. If you guys have the freckle pencil, use that instead because this did not work out that good. Yeah, you can definitely tell that they are fake. And then I just go in with my stippling brush again, and I'm kind of blending them in a little bit so they look a little real. And now I'm going in with this Profusion palette. I picked this up last Halloween and I haven't got a lot of use out of it. So I'm going in with the hot pink shade and I am really blending it out. I do not want that hot pink color. I want it to be more of like a soft pink shade. I really wanted to keep this look really bright and pink and a lot of glitter. I do wish that I would have went in with some yellow, but I didn't. Now I'm going in with this purple pink shade and I'm going to be putting that on my lid. I'm really surprised on this palette. I like it a lot. The pigment is very nice and it wasn't a lot of fallout either. Now I'm going in with the Ofra highlighter, and this is in the shade Cloud 9, and I'm placing that on my eyelids. I was not happy with the way that it looked on my eyelids. It had this white cast to it. It's probably because I went in with too much, but I just wanted it to give it like a nice shine to my eyes. And instead it gave it this white cast, so I went in to kind of blend it a little bit and yeah. And then I did take that highlighter and just place it below my eyebrows and in the inner corner. I do really like the way that it looks for the inner corner highlight. It was very pretty. I do like this highlighter. I just didn't like it on my eyelids. So now we're gonna do our eyebrows. I am just going to line my eyebrows on the top and bottom, and then I kind of fluff out the front of it a little bit, and then I just fill in the rest of the brows, and then I just go in with a spoolie to kind of blend it all. I do need to get a lighter eyebrow pomade. I actually have to go in and get my eyebrows lighten because I went into the salon yesterday and I am blonde, you guys. It's actually kind of like a golden blonde. It's not the color I'm going for, but I know it's a process. So yeah, I'm starting to really play around with my eyebrows a lot more because I want them to look more natural and not so bold looking. But I have to do my eyebrows because if I don't, when you look at my pictures, it just looks like my eyebrows are missing. So now I'm going in with these eyelashes. I picked them up last Halloween. They are just yeah, they're falling off. So they're just eyelashes, but they have a lot of glitter on them, and I thought they would look really nice for this look. I'm going in with some liquid eyeliner, and you can tell that the eyeliner hates me. All eyeliner hates me. And now I'm going in with a big white jumbo pencil, and I'm just putting that in my waterline because I wanted my eyes to look more open. And well, I'm going in with some more highlighter. You guys are going with a lot of highlighter, you'll see. So now I'm just taking a mascara and I'm just putting that on my eyelashes so I could prep them for falsies. I love this mascara. It's the MAC Giga Black. It is the best for your lower lashes, you guys. It's amazing. The spoolie on it is so small, and yeah, I just love it. And I'm also very surprised on how good I am at getting my lashes on. You guys, I used to not be able to wear falsies because I couldn't do it, but now it's like easy for me. I do use tweezers. I was always scared to use tweezers in the past, but I've been using tweezers lately and it's been really easy. If you use tweezers, be careful. Don't poke your eye out. Just take it slow and be careful. So now I'm gonna go back in with this Profusion palette, and I'm taking like the darker brown reddish kind of shade, and I'm just going to use that for my lower lash line. I wish that I would have went in with a yellow, but I was too scared because yellows and blues, I have troubles with them. So now I'm going in with a liquid highlighter, and I'm just putting that on my cheekbones. I am really I'm carrying this up pretty high, so it is going underneath my eyes, which usually I don't do that, but for this look I wanted my whole face to be like a shimmering goddess kind of thing. So now I just went in with some more blush because I started to lose the blush throughout all of the stuff I was putting on top. And of course I'm going in with some more highlighter because I put a lot on, you guys. You think this is a lot? Just wait till the end. So now I'm taking this loose powder that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I did not have any glitter. I wanted some glitter to just put in the nose and on like next to my nose there, like you get what I'm trying to do here. I could not find any glitter, so I was stuck using this loose powder. I really do like it. It does have a pink undertone to it, but it's very, very, very nice. I did not use the brush that it came with because that brush did not work. And now I'm just going in with this bright pink lippy pen. I believe this is from the same collection as the eyeshadow palette It's from Profusion. I bought this last year, so I don't know if it's still available, but I am overlining my lips just a little bit. Now I'm going in with this headband that I got from the Dollar General. It did have some black ears on it, and I just cut them off because I just wanted the flowers. And now I'm going in with my MAC Pro Longwear, MAC Giga Black MAC Giga Black mascara, and I am just blending my falsies with my natural lashes, and then just putting some mascara on my bottom lash line. And now we're going to take some of that highlighter and put it in the middle of my lips. I was hoping that it would give me more of a shimmer look, and it didn't. And now we're going to use my white wig that I have used and abused this Halloween season. I did spray it with some Ioni, oil spray. I love it. It takes out all the tangles, and it makes it so that I can brush through the wig easier. It did leave the wig looking a little oily, but I didn't care. You guys, this wig only cost me like $10. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking some pieces on the side of my head about 1 inch away from the hairline, and I'm braiding it and just pulling it back. I realized that if I do styles with the wigs, they look more real than if I just left them alone. So now I'm taking my elf ears that I got mine from the Kansas Renaissance. I will try and link, if I can find her information, I will try and link it down below. These ears are amazing. You can get them in all different sizes, and if you go to the Kansas Renaissance, they will actually like color them for you, so they will match your skin tone, and then all of it. So I did not glue mine down, I just stuck them in there, and then I put my flowered headband on, and you would think, oh, she's done. No, she's not. She's going back in with some more highlighter, and this time I am taking it everywhere, you guys. I even went in with this Anastasia loose highlighter pigment stuff, and I'm putting that all over. I do not like the way that looks, and I did not fix it, but now I go in with some more freckles, and then I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.